In this lesson, we will understand the Tokenizers library of Hugging Face. With that, we will also see how to install it. The Tokenizers library is a fast and efficient library for tokenizing text, which is often used alongside the Transformers library. We already saw the Transformers library before in the previous lessons. So the Tokenizers library is a fast, efficient and flexible library designed for tokenizing text data, which is a crucial step in natural language processing. Tokenization involves splitting text into smaller units such as words, subwords or characters. Then these are converted into numerical representations that ML models can process. In this lesson, we will understand what is the Tokenizers library, why use it, its use cases, as well as how to install it. So let us start. We already saw what is the Tokenizers library. So now we will see why use the Tokenizers library. It is quite quick for tokenization, that means optimized for fast tokenization even on large datasets. It also supports custom tokenizers as well as flexible enough to support multiple tokenization algorithms. Integration is possible, that means you can work it with other Hugging Face libraries like Transformers. It has an easy API for tokenizing, decoding and managing vocabularies. With that, you can easily access pre-trained tokenizers. Now let us see the use cases. Easily tokenize the textual data for classifying text, like for spam detection in emails. With that, you can also analyze the spam. Easily perform sentiment analysis. Align the tokens with entity labels. It is also used for machine translation. Some of its other use cases includes text generation and even question answering. With that, train and use tokenizers for domain specific datasets. Now let us see how to install the Tokenizers library. We can use pip. Pip is a package manager to download, install and manage Python packages. Use the syntax pip space install space tokenizers to install it. With that, we can also use the Tokenizers library on Google Colab. We already saw how to install a library on Google Colab. So similarly, we can use the !pip space install space tokenizers to install it. Also, the third way, you can tell pip to install the package from the Hugging Face datasets repository. You can also use the third way, that is directly install from the GitHub repository. Type pip space install space git plus the GitHub path to install it. Now let us see how to install Tokenizers library on Google Colab. We will open Google Colab again. So here is our Google Colab. We already installed the Transformers and Datasets library. We can install the Tokenizers library here itself, but let me create a new Python notebook. Go to File, click New Notebook. Now let us type the command !pip space install space tokenizers and click on the cell. Click here, run cell. Now the Tokenizers library will get installed. You can also save this. As I told before, it will create a Python notebook. So here I'll type Amit underscore. You can add any name. And this is our Python notebook. Okay, we will utilize all these libraries later on when we will work on the use cases of Hugging Face. So guys, we saw what is the Tokenizers library. We also saw its purpose as well as the use cases. With that, we also installed the Tokenizers library on Google Colab.